Ndongoi sya Kiuteti sya Ulei Nisyaumania Syiko sya Ithokoo sya Yila Inakusiiwe Kauntini ya Homa Ile kundi alinda Mwananchi na Inavikite Kutwaiisya Mbumbano sya Kiuteti Atongoi Matongoew'e Mutongoi wa PLP Karua na Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Nimaweta Kana Kutumika kwa Mbulili Kuvalaan'ya Mbumbano sya Atongoi Ulei Nikutonya kuwete muisyo wa uthasyo na kumina umo wa Kenya valamenda ukunikiliwe kweyo lwa Ithokoo syo ndebate na kubathula mwaka no kutwalesya
Kiuteti alinda wananchi nisyokilia wasyo kwelekela kuongeleka kwa Syiko sya Ithokoo sya Kiuteti isyo ni kivathukanio vanthi ya Kenya Nimaweta kana kiita kikonzya umwe wa Kenya na kuvinyia uthasyo wo.
Within a remarkably short period, Kenyans have witnessed reported attacks involving former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua in Ndongoi constituency, Nakuru County, an attack involving Dr. Fred Matiang'i at Mulot in Bomet County, and the horrifying violence surrounding the Linda Mwananchi rally in Homa Bay, and previously in Keumbu in Kisii County. Incidents of political violence witnessed in different parts of Kenya can no longer be dismissed as isolated confrontations between rival political supporters. Taken together, they reveal a disturbing pattern that raises fundamental questions about the neutrality of our security institutions, the protection of constitutional freedoms, and ultimately, whether Kenya is being adequately prepared for a peaceful, free, and credible general election in 2027.
Mainena na andiki mamovu Atongoi ya Nimaweta kana ni undu wa kumacha muno kuona Atongoi mangaliko ya Ulei andiki mamovu undu mwana ene nthima Ithokoo na vala makule ukunikiliwe kwe alame ukwatikana na mavitio mayoso matambia mai makimeo.
These incidents require independent investigations. Of particular concern are accounts that some attacks occurred in the presence or within the operational reach of police officers. The government must explain how organized groups of armed civilians can repeatedly mobilize, move openly, attack political leaders, journalists, citizens, and even police officers, and apparently operate with such confidence.
Watanio eno ya Ulei ni atangaza kwambia nzama yimwanya ya kuyumbanisya unyuvani munene na valame kuete vamwene yandaki vathukanyo kuikithya kana unyuvani usu ukethiwa na umilu.
We are calling on people of goodwill to join us in forming a people's forum for electoral preparedness that will be coordinated by the former Chief Justice Honorable David Maraga, former Attorney General Honorable Justin Muturi, and Honorable Karori Omondi on the 9th of October 2026. I repeat, the three will be coordinating a people's forum which has been scheduled for the 9th of October this year. The future of Kenya will not be determined by militias of fear.
Tilivoti ya vilingi wa movone toa mwaka mweu.